Okay, I just wanted to make a quick little video. I don't know if this is just going to be for the staff or I'll put this on YouTube. But, alright, this right here. Okay, so we ordered new bearings. And we had to, because the last one was kind of blown apart. And we wanted to make sure that this was the reason. But if you take a look right on the edge here of this, you can kind of see this has a little bit of, that's not supposed to be there. Alright, so when you put this bearing around and it has a wiggle room like this, you don't just need a bearing, you need a whole new housing. A guy can get away with going and bringing this to a machine shop and having them pour that out and getting a wider bearing, but to be honest, these are 94 bucks for a whole thing. The bearings, the whole 9 yards. You might as well just buy a whole new housing. But